Hey guys, my name is Kelly. I'm a full-time reseller. I sell primarily on Poshmark. My store and Instagram are both rebel_rose_co. Today I'm doing my first collab video. It is with my friend Matt. His Instagram is Why So Thrifty Store, and his Poshmark and YouTube channel are Why So Thrifty. So after this video, you should hop on over to his channel and make sure to watch his video. We'll both be doing a video talking about the same kind of things, but how it was different for like each of us, how much each of us listed. So what we did was a listing challenge. We did a week-long listing challenge. Matt lives in LA, so he always has tons of amazing thrifting. So he always has so much good stuff to list. And I had a lot to list. It was mostly stuff that I was not excited about listing. Black pants, skirts. I had some wool coats, stuff that I knew was going to sit for a long time. Just boring stuff that I knew I needed to list just to make money, but that I didn't really want to list, which is why it was been sitting in my death pile. So we were first planning to do 50 listings a day. If I'm able to, there's this really funny video of Khloe Kardashian yelling. It's not at Tristan, I don't know who it is, but that he's a liar. And when we were talking about trying to do 50 at the end of this challenge, that made me it made me think of that video, because we were fucking crazy if we thought that we could do 50.
You kissed bitches.
Listen, Chloe.
And you're a liar.
So I have written down here, and I'm going to insert pictures as I go. Okay, so my room is a mess, but we're getting started with our listing challenge, and I'm going to show you guys. Obviously, I'm not listing this all today. We're doing 30 items. A bin of stuff here. I got a bunch of stuff that just came back from Thredup that didn't sell. Pile there, and then all this stuff. I'm going to start with the things on the rack. Also, I've never sold this brand. I only found it one other time. Joan and David. It's made in Italy. Sorry, I don't know how to show this good. And it has a matching skirt. And I think this brand is pretty expensive. I have another coat that I just listed from them. It has no interest yet though. So hopefully a lot of the things that we're listing this week will sell. Okay, so update on the listing challenge. I photographed probably like 15 items. So I'm going to photograph the rest of the items here on my rack. See, I've gotten a bunch done, and then we're going to edit the photos and list those items, and then we'll do another batch to steam. Hey guys, so the lighting in here is terrible. I'm in my garage now, and I'm listing. It's 4:45. I have all my pictures done and edited. It took way longer than I thought. Like, I took a lot of breaks because I kept getting distracted and stuff, but and I had to steam everything, and I steamed stuff for tomorrow. I don't know if that's cheating. I'll have to ask Matt. But I steamed my items for tomorrow. So now I'm gonna get to listing. I've only listed 2 items so far. I have a new table out here in my garage. This is my inventory. I have a lot of not so mystery boxes. If anybody wants to buy one, send me an offer. They're taking up a lot of space, so you can lowball me. It's okay. Okay, so it's about 2 o'clock. I've done 13 listings today, I'm pretty sure. Most of the pictures were taken yesterday. I'm literally so slow. So to meet the goal of 30 per day, now I have to do 29 more today. So let's see if I can do this. Sorry, I'm not vlogging more. I was thinking like, well, because I wanted to do like a time lapse of me listing, but I film on my phone, so I can't do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing like quick updates. And also, sorry for how I look. Okay, it's day 2. I look like shit. I only got 18 listed yesterday. I still have, like, I have photos of the rest of the items like edited and stuff. I just didn't list them. So today, 42 items.
My hair looks like I'm 12 today. Also, I just wanted to tell everybody that I'm listing challenge today with Kelly at Rebel Rose Co. I'm super excited. I just wanted to make this video to tell Kelly that I will fucking crush you. Love you all.
Okay, so update on me and Matt's listing challenge. I've only done 13 today. We have extended the challenge 2 days because we suck. So we are going to try and get to by the end of Sunday. So I have most of the stuff photographed and the pictures edited. I just need to list. It's just hard because it's a lot of boring stuff. Okay, so we were going to be doing 50 listings a day for 5 days.
You're a liar!
But we ended up doing, actually, we didn't end up doing what we're supposed to do at all, but we were supposed to do 30 a day for 5 days, and at the end, we extended the listing challenge 2 more days to try and catch up. Neither of us got there. Hey guys, so I just have a random filter on because I'm not wearing any makeup. I just want to come in here real quick and say, if you wanted to see either of our first 2 lives, we just did a 3rd live, me and Matt, Why So Thrifty. They will be under both of our Instagram accounts under the IGTV section. They were going to be in my YouTube video, but I'm having issues with iMovie. So if you guys want to go see those, they're under the IGTV section, and it'll have like updates of how we were doing on the challenge and stuff. So yeah, I just want to come on here real quick and say that. When I started off, I tried to keep track of like all this stuff, but some of it I didn't and some of it I couldn't. I'll explain in a second. So I started off my total number of listings, not active listings, listings like ever, like sold and whatever, was 3,455. And I was going to take a screenshot when I was done with the listing challenge of my new number. I didn't do that. I can't do it now because I've listed since then, so it wouldn't be accurate. And I had 777 available. I didn't take a picture of the amount I have available at the end because I hadn't thought about this at the beginning. It won't be accurate because I'll have sold listings throughout, so that wouldn't be accurate. I think I sold 2 or 3 things that I listed during the listing challenge, either during the listing challenge or within a couple days after. One was a vintage silk top, and I sold it for $25. The other was a vintage Mickey Mouse shirt, and I think I sold it for $27. I'll insert pictures here. I could have sworn there was one more item. If there is, I'll insert it, but I can't think of it off the top of my head. So, day 1, I listed 18 items. I am a slow lister, so on day 1, I took pictures of probably 40 items, and then I sat down and I edited all the items, or all the photos, and then I got to listing, and I'm such a slow lister. I think it's because, like, anxiety, especially on expensive items. I want to, like, look up each item and make sure I have, like, the style name if possible, like, all the information. I listed 18 the first day, and this is, like, steaming, photographing, editing photos, listing, and then putting away in my inventory, because I did put them away in my inventory on those days. And it felt so good by the end of the week. Like, we were gonna vlog every day. It didn't happen every day. At the beginning of the week, I was so motivated. I was like, I'm gonna put on makeup every day. I'm gonna vlog. I'm gonna list like 50 items a day.
You're a liar!
Okay, that didn't happen. So I think I like vlogged like 2 or 3 of the days. That's okay. There's not a whole lot to say because I film on my phone, so I couldn't like do like a time lapse of me listing or anything. So Tuesday I did 22, Wednesday I did 17, Thursday I did 5. What the fuck, Kelly? 5. That's not okay. I was supposed to do 30. Can you believe that we were gonna do 50?
You're a liar!
I only did 5 one day, and then the next day was 16. The next day was so Saturday I was confused because so I took screenshots of my Seller Insight app, and like at the end of the day when I'm like in bed watching TV, I'll relist items. So I took pictures of my Seller Insight before I relisted any items. Some of the things say like, oh, this is 25 less than yesterday and the number looks different. It's because I did relist, so that doesn't like count towards it. But on the Saturday, I had taken multiple pictures of my Seller Insight, and I think for some reason I'd relisted during the day, so I had taken a picture where it said 22, where it said 32, and then Sunday I did 17. So the total was 112. Out of 150 was what we were supposed to do. Tips for listing. I don't know if I am authorized to give tips when I'm not that great at listing. I think that in the future, I need to have different days for different things, like one day for photographing, one day for inventory, one day for listing, you know, that kind of stuff, because I like kind of get into the zone and I like to just keep doing the same thing. But yeah, listing is the hardest part for me. I think just stop overthinking it. Just get to listing.
Hey guys, how are you? Flip your phones to the side because we are doing it sideways because we're putting this in our YouTube video. This light is lit for the gods, so I didn't have to use a filter. I'm screaming in my soul. But yeah, so I'm waiting for Kelly to get on. This is going to be live with Kelly at Rebel Rose Co. Waiting for Rebel Rose Co. Hi, Leanne. How are you? We're looking sideways.
Hello. Sorry, I gotta get the filter.
You're so cute. So I'm
Okay.
sideways right now.
Oh no, it went away. Hold on. I have to turn it really slow or it's gonna go away. I
It's a
was like
struggle.
shit today.
We love our filters.
Oh no,
oh my
it's
god.
leaving. Oh no,
My
I'm gonna
phone
look
fell.
terrible in this. Okay, if I hold it right here, then I can.
Oh my god, a lot of people are joining. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching.
Oh,
Stay on this. Don't click off. We want to talk to you guys about some stuff. We're so excited. Should we start off by telling them what we did, basically?
Yes. We're doing like a collab, like a YouTube video, and we did a listing challenge, 30 items per day. We were gonna do 5 days, and then we failed, so we did 7 days, and then we failed.
Oh well, we should do this like maybe like once every few months maybe, and like try it and like see if we can reach. We should do like an update.
And like implement new things to like list faster and stuff.
Exactly, and new points from people. I know a lot of people can have different like things they can tell us because I know a lot of people are power listers and I'm just like slow.
Same.
But yeah, so basically what me and Kelly did is we were texting the entire time. We became best friends. We vibed live. And we filmed updates too every day. Yeah, except the last, like, second to last day. So I put the same shirt on and pretended it was the day before. So you could tell. In my YouTube video, I was like, oh my god, I've been wearing the same thing for 2 days. But so let's like take a second to break it down and talk about like, first of all, how many we got done, and then what we failed at, we think, and then like what we can do next time to make it faster and more efficient. Also, okay. I want to tell everybody watching, if they have any tips that they use to make their process more efficient, definitely comment it below, and we'll kind of tell everyone what you're thinking and stuff like that. So I'm embarrassed because I know you reached. Did you reach 100?
Yeah.
See, I didn't. I reached 80.
That's okay.
Ugh. But yeah, so I did 80, you did 100.
I did 117.
Oh my god, shit. So who's gonna go subscribe to our YouTube right after they click off of this? Link is in our bios, and then you'll
here,
be
just
if you click the
say
bell.
your channel, and then I'll say mine.
Oh yeah. So I don't know like the link, but if you search on I almost said search on eBay. If you search on YouTube, if you search on eBay, you can buy me. No, I'm kidding. If you search on YouTube, then you go Why So Thrifty Store, aka Matt Ryan King, and it should come up whatever you search.
And mine is Rebel Rose Co.
I'm like reading sideways. I feel you. I want to increase sales, but I'm starting to feel defeated. Slow weeks make me, I can't even read, depressed. I totally relate.
And it's for me, and it seems like for a lot of people, it's been super slow lately.
Should we like get into like what we think next time? We're definitely like what we learned, like the lesson we learned about our challenge. Because I learned a good amount of lesson. And also, talking me and you during it, I learned stuff from you. Hopefully you learned stuff from me. But, no, just, like, talking to see how people do it differently and tackle, like, I'm going to do 150, and this is how I'm going to prep. Some people, like, prep their items first. Some people, like, do this or that, like, that kind of thing. Photo, and then, like...
Yeah, I used the photo room. I paid the, like, $6 or whatever.
Me
so
too.
I can batch, take out the back of all of them. So.
Wait, you can batch do it?
Yeah. When you open
I haven't been doing that, but I use VSCO to edit the lighting. It sucks. I need to make a YouTube video on the hard to shoot colors and how I do it.
Yeah,
because I know red. That's how people get returns too. I thought it was a different red. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? Like, I said red wine, bitch.
Yeah. Are you gonna film your Thredup box after this too?
Oh yes. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I'm gonna take you to it. So I got a Thredup shoebox. It's the first wholesale box ever. This is my Thredup box. I don't know why I had to show you it. Every Thredup box looks the same. But yeah, so I've never ordered a wholesale box. Kelly, you have, right?
I've only done the denim ones.
Oh, okay. Did you?
Yeah.
How were they?
The first one was amazing. I got like Madewell, Frame, Everlane, like
Really?
Free People. I got all kinds of good stuff. And then the second one was literally the worst box I've ever gotten. It was like all junk. I only sold one item from 50 pairs. Both the videos are on my YouTube channel if anybody don't know.
Our bag Nick, I don't know if I'm saying that right. My last couple shoe boxes have been pretty awesome, but then they said, "OMG, Kelly, your box was straight up garbage."
Yeah, it was. She has a YouTube channel too.
No way.
Yeah, I can't remember if it's the same as her username on here, so you should write it in the chat.
Yeah, DM me. I want to follow. I want to subscribe to you.
Yeah, she has great videos. She's super sweet.
Also, I can't figure out. You know how like when you get an I don't know why I just like did this. when you get an email that says you got a new subscriber, it's so motivating, right?
Yeah.
And I can't figure out how it doesn't send me emails saying you got a new subscriber. I've literally looked for an hour through the Google stuff, all the options. I can't get them to notify me when I get a subscriber. Oh, and also, let's like commit to doing that. Like not every month, that's a lot. But like again, eventually we should do a listing challenge. I don't know when in the future, but
yeah, for sure. Yeah, if anyone wants to do a listing challenge with me, I would love to do one because now I have a ton more stuff and I am not motivated to list. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment and subscribe. Comment your top like listing tips, like ways that you list faster. And then make sure you go over to Matt's channel, Why So Thrifty, like, comment, and subscribe to his channel. And also he has a reseller podcast with Ani Lou. She's Henry's_hangers on Instagram and on Poshmark, I think. And they have a podcast called The Reseller Rundown. It's every Wednesday at 5 o'clock, and it's super funny. They're hilarious. I literally laugh out loud every time I listen to them, and you can type in the chat because it's like a live video on YouTube. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.